Why does your body suddenly go, hey, Cass? And how can you stop it? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that controls breathing, suddenly contracts without warning. That sudden contraction pulls air into your lungs, and your vocal cords snap shut, making the familiar hic sound. To stop hiccups, try holding your breath for a few seconds, sipping water slowly, or taking slow, deep breaths. These may help relax your diaphragm. Most hiccups disappear within a few minutes, but if they last more than 48 hours, it's time to see a doctor. Follow for more amazing science facts.